Good morning, everyone. I'm making breakfast. I'm making a Copycat from Cheesecake Factory. Have you ever gone there and ordered their small plates? Years ago, Courtney and I would go, my daughter, and we would have their small plates as our meals. They had one that I'm copycatting. In the meantime, right now I have 5 asparagus steaming right here. This is the beginning. Organic milk, Aldi's, is the cheapest price. I have a cup of it in my Flavcity shaker cup. This is Flavcity. This is brownie batter. I'm going to use vanilla today, but I wanted to show you on the back of Flavcity just what's in their shake. It has whey protein powder, grass-fed, which is the whey protein, organic bananas, collagen, organic cocoa. I'm using the vanilla cream today. I don't have the bag. I do have a bag, a full bag to show you, but I didn't want to dig it out. So because this egg, or this plate is going to be protein, is going to be 2 eggs in it. That's not enough protein. This is 25 grams of protein. So I'm going to have my shake. I'll get the lid after. I'm going to have my shake, and I'm going to have this breakfast before I go. I start physical therapy today for lymphatics, and I'm going there very soon. So I wanted to have a good breakfast. You just put the milk in, a scoop of powder, and in this, it tastes like a vanilla malted. It's delicious, it's good for you, all clean ingredients, and it's 25 grams of protein. So, back to what I'm doing for my breakfast. These are almost done. Oops, I forgot to get something out. It's very important. Again, have you ever had the small plates from Cheesecake Factory? I'm draining the asparagus. And I'm going to get a plate out. Put my asparagus right on my plate. Now I'm going to build the magic. At the Cheesecake Factory, this may sound odd to you. This is good Giadzi olive oil, also good for you. I'm going to give it roughly actually this is coming out very slow. I'm not sure why. We're going to do about 2 tablespoons because this is going to be the base of your sauce. I minced a clove of garlic. And then I put, their recipe had pine nuts. These are diced up, 2 tablespoons of walnuts. And there was tomatoes. I'm gonna salt and pepper this, put a lid on it for a minute. It's delicious. We had this as a small plate and I copied it years ago and then I stopped copying it. And I don't know why, because it meets all my bells and whistles for my dietary needs. Let me lower that temperature. Pop a lid on just for a few minutes to get that garlic and tomatoes to cook. I have it on low. I keep my walnuts in a container in the fridge. I have a huge bag of them and I just refilled this from the outside freezer. Nuts in the fridge so they don't go rancid. This recipe usually is asparagus, olive oil, tomatoes, and I'll put my asparagus here. There's a process, and pine nuts, like I said. I don't have pine nuts. I have walnuts, pecans, sunflower seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds. I have everything but pine nuts. So I am going to use walnuts because they're healthy, a good fat, along with that delicious olive oil. This becomes the sauce over these asparagus, and then you fry 2 eggs and put it on top of that. I don't know. It works for me. You might not like asparagus. They've done it with green beans, people that didn't like asparagus. I looked at Copycat recipes. But I wanted to remember what I made. I did it years ago, and it used to come out delicious. These are perfectly cooked for me. I'm actually going to chop them up to bite-sized pieces because I know how I have to eat it. And this might seem really strange. Now remember, I'm getting 25 grams here in this whole milk. Yes, I'm doing whole milk to fortify my blood right now. Middle of July, I go back for blood work. You guys hope for me. That's pretty much it. That looks scrumptious. Then you put that over your asparagus. That becomes your sauce. And I'm not even going to add fat to this. I'm going to fry 2 eggs right in this, a little on medium heat. And put them on top, which become more sauce. These eggs came from Melanie's chickens. I'm on my last leg of them. I'm going to miss them. I bought 1 dozen from my bariatric surgeon. And she's been dropping me fresh chicken eggs. You guys, I can't tell you how delicious this breakfast is going to be. So here's the base of it. Asparagus, tomatoes, walnuts, good olive oil, salt, and pepper. The order was you steam your asparagus, then you put your tomatoes and olive oil in. And I mean, I'm not looking for perfect eggs here. I think I might have popped the yolk already. They're gonna go on top of this, and it is, there might be some fresh basil in their recipe, but I don't have time to run out to my garden to get some. But I don't remember if there was or wasn't. This will be enough for me, and it's gonna be all my fiber needs, fat needs, protein needs, and it'll keep me going through physical therapy's appointment this morning. I'm going today to find out a couple things. I'm supposed to make a trip to Long Island for a funeral in July. I'm concerned whether I can make the trip. A 4-hour ride in the car might not be the best thing for me. I still have so much swelling in my abdomen and in my upper thighs when I sit for long periods of time, or yeah, mostly sit. Like if I'm sitting at no more games, baseball's done, unless I go to a football game. Now he's in football. Over the weekend we had grandkids spend the night, 2 nights, or one night they slept over, the older two, 13-year-old and 7-year-old. The next day was Father's Day, so I had my son over for filet mignon dinner with my 5-year-old to give him a nice Father's Day. And by last night, I was completely swelled. I didn't sleep well. Whenever I have sleepovers, I don't sleep well. So I'm worried about the trip. I'm going July. This is done for me. So you put your eggs right on top. This is really going to be delicious before physical therapy. And there you have it, guys. Copycat. I'm going to open 1 yolk for you. I'll open 2 yolks for you. I just chop everything up. Copycat, eggs, asparagus, tomatoes, garlic. This has walnuts. And it really is colorful, nutritious, and my protein shake to go with it. This is a meal fit for a king. You guys have a great day. Love you. Wish me good luck at physical therapy. I'll let you know later if I can make a trip. I'm supposed to make this trip for a funeral. See my cousins, all my cousins and relatives, aunts and uncles, and see my other cousins from the other side, and go to my 45th class reunion. I don't know. I'll let you know though. Have a great day.